Good afternoon, YouTube. So earlier today we had a freak thunderstorm roll through the area overnight and early morning, and it took out the power. We've been out of power for about 4 hours now, and I've got the one charge controller and inverter running. It's pulling in just about a kilowatt of solar. Let me show you the AC power here. Right there is my kilowatt meter. So it's showing about 250 watts right now. I'm running the freezer in the garage, the tankless water heater, the refrigerator and microwave in the kitchen. And let me go turn on the microwave and we'll run that through a cycle. And there we go. I turned on the microwave. It'll kick on here in just a bit. There we go. Now you can see the kilowatt meter starts blinking because it's over 15 amps. So it's just over the 15 amp maximum on the kilowatt meter. 1700 watts. So let me go inside and show you the microwave and refrigerator plugged in. I just brought in a extension cord here. The refrigerator's plugged in over there, and then the microwave over here. So at least it's a good test. Everything works, and now it's back to about 250 watts. The refrigerator's running, and then the freezer is still on its cycle. It's just about to turn off, but I wanted to run these three heavy loads all together, and it looks like it is possible. But anyway, it looks like my lunch is ready there. Microwave runs, the freezer runs, the refrigerator. They're all running at the same time. So that's about 15 amp load. I think the inverter is rated at 20 amps, so we're getting up towards the limit. Those are probably the three biggest loads in the house, other than the electric stove. So you can see the stove is still dead. I don't have the 240 volt set up yet. But at least I can run microwave, I can run the refrigerator, and then this morning I made coffee out on the natural gas cooktop. Pretty much everything's operational. The only thing I don't have is my computer system is shut down. I don't have an extension cord set up where I could get back to the back office. I'll bring in a solar power circuit and then be able to switch between solar and grid power in the room back there. And then I've got the UPS. So the UPS did work this morning. I got maybe a dozen minutes of backup power, and I found I had a few wiring problems, a few things plugged into the wrong places, so I got that sorted out now. I had my router plugged into the UPS, but the cable modem wasn't plugged in, so I lost my internet connection. So I got that straightened out, and then one of my Synology NAS, I thought it was plugged into the UPS, but it wasn't. So I've got that switched around now too, and that's the NAS that's plugged into the USB on the UPS module, and that's what sends alerts to my other systems. But all the network and everything, that was all plugged in. Now I've got those two sorted out, and hopefully next time there's a power outage, it will automatically shut everything down. I had to manually shut down the other Synology NAS because it was expecting a signal from the first one, but the first one went down because it was plugged into the wrong power source. So anyway, just thought I'd show you that, and as always, thanks for watching.